This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laura Hoult. 1013 and 1015 Martinique Avenue, Fort Pierce, Florida. A rare opportunity to own a fully updated 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with an extra buildable lot in a prime Fort Pierce location. This open floor plan features brand new tile flooring and major upgrades already completed, including a 2-year-old metal roof and air conditioner, 1-year-old pool equipment, a new electrical panel, updated plumbing, and fresh interior and exterior paint. Hurricane protection covers every opening, supported by a recent wind mitigation inspection. The kitchen offers stainless steel appliances with an induction range and upgraded hardware throughout. Outside, enjoy a large pool cabana, 2 screened lanai, 2 sheds, and an expansive backyard ideal for entertaining or future expansion. With no HOA and 2 lots, options include building another home, adding a garage or workshop, or enjoying extra space for boats and RVs. Conveniently located near downtown Fort Pierce, beaches, the inlet, and the upcoming Brightline station. For more information, review the details below.